Hey, it's the DIY Beamer guy here today again. We are going to be putting on this water pump. Should be real easy. I got this at FCP Euro part number. And we're basically gonna be definitely need to get you one of these wrenches if you don't got one. I was able to rent it the first time at O'Reilly's, but they don't have them here no more. But I got this on Amazon for like 15 bucks. Definitely come in handy. I can use it at least 3 or 4 times. Definitely gonna need this. I don't have these clips, but I got one barely. You just pop those out with a screwdriver. Voila. That to the side. It's the bolt we're gonna be taking off right there. Those 4 bolts, probably 10 millimeters. The belt and pulley. Take this off. Take this out of here. We're gonna, you see those 2 bolts, right? Gonna put one of these on there just to hold it in place like that while we push that big bolt off. I'll be right back after I do that. Can you see right there? It's coming off counterclockwise. See, I broke it loose. As you break it loose, you can just spin it. All this up together. Right out in the field. All at once. Way easier with 2 hands. Now we got a whole bunch of room. You see that? Let me get this little belt off. And work on these 4 bolts. I'll be back. Pulley right here. Pop this off. Pull the belt under the tool bottom, up, under, over and around, up, under, back around the pulley, back around the This is my backup bar with an 8mm hex wrench. Clockwise. See that? And then loosen the tension on the belt. Alright, I got the old one out. Put the new one in. 4 bolts in. Pump. Hold back on that pulley. I'm gonna slide that belt back on. Put the fan and the shroud back on. Use this to bleed the air bubbles out, and it's on. Real simple.